In this video, I'm going to cover how to add buffers to elements within your GIS map. For this project, I'm going to create buffers surrounding the park, and I'm going to make them 1/2 mile. In my GIS ribbon, the buffer tool is actually located here under Tools within the Analysis tab. However, if it's not located there for you, you can select Tools. From there, you can get to the buffer two different ways. You can either find it in favorites if it's actually favored within your geoprocessing panel, or you can type in the word buffer. And once you type in buffer, you see that the actual tool pops up for you to select. Another thing you can do is go to Toolboxes tab. And under the Toolboxes tab, you would maximize the analysis area, scroll down to proximity, open that, and you'll find the buffer tool there. Then you'd select it so that you can create your buffer. So for me, my input feature will be the park, since that's what the buffers will be surrounding. My output feature is the shapefile that it's going to create. So it's going to create a separate shapefile that is strictly the buffer surrounding the parks. If you want to select a location to where that buffer will go, like what folder location, then select the folder and make sure that it's routing to the location you want it to be. Mine is currently in the correct location, so I'm going to go to the next step. And that is determining the distance, which is a 1/2 mile. So I will put 0.5, and then under linear units, I'll do the drop down box below it, and I will pick miles. From there, I will then select run. Once you select one, you'll see that the buffers are then added to your drawing. Now I have 1/2 mile buffers for each park. And if I want, I can reorder the layers and actually put them below the park areas.